realize that it's very hot. Let me remove this. We want to solve or to remind ourselves how we solve a given quadratic equation using a completing square method. Remember, sometimes examiners will only require you to solve using a particular method. Now, if you are only used to quadratic formula, then it becomes very hard to solve a problem using another method. Therefore, it's very important for all of us to understand how to use all methods at any given time. So, completing square method. So example, remember, if you are given a problem of this nature, x squared plus 4x minus 32 is equals to 0. Now, for such a question, realize the coefficient of x squared here is 1. And if it is 1, completing square method now allows us to proceed with the next step. If this was not 1, then there is a step there that would have undergone before we could go to this second step, which tells us that we should take this constant to this other side if we are using completing square method. And therefore, this becomes x squared plus 4x is equals to 32. That is the first step that you use to solve for x. Remember, we normally use this completing square method to solve for a given variable of interest. So, upon reaching here now, you complete the square on your left hand side. And remember, to complete the square, we need this formula here. B over 2 squared is equals to C. Remember, if there was a coefficient here, then this would be AC. Very important for us to note the difference. Therefore, our B is here, remember, from the general quadratic equation. And now you can see where everything is. This one is here. This one, we have already taken it to their side. So B is 4. So realize this is 4 over 2 squared. And so this becomes 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So when you get 4 here, this is the value of C. So this is C, this is C, this is C. Not important to do that, just know this is C. So now from there, you need to add your C. To complete the square means making this one to be a perfect square. And therefore, you are going to write this as x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equals to 32. Remember, when you add 4 on this other side, left hand side, you need to do it on the right hand side. So plus 4 here. So realize now we can factorize this. And we are going to have x plus 2 squared. When you factorize this using the methods that we were taught, then you are going to get this is equals to 36. Now find square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. You will get here, the square and the square root will cancel, and then we shall be left with x plus 2 is equals to the square root of a number like this one. Answer should be plus or minus 6. And therefore, this becomes x is equals to plus or minus 6 minus 2. So our first value of x will be positive 6 minus 2 will be 4. And the other value will be negative 6 minus 2. This will be minus 8. And these are the values of x in our question hub here. So this is the procedure that we use when we are solving a problem or a quadratic equation using completing square method. Thank you.